Good afternoon, YouTube. You've got Nick here with Nick's Yard Care. Today I was going to let y'all know, we were kind of redoing the way we do things here this year, the end of the year, to get us ready for next year. One thing I regretted selling this year was my 33-inch with the sulky. And all the other ones I found online are outrageously priced used with the sulky. But I got a hold of this one. This is the Cub Cadet 33-inch, but it is not the Cub Cadet 800. This is the Cub Cadet CC760es. ES means electric start. If you look at the motors between the 800 and the 760, 760 has no pull start. It is the 10.5 horse Briggs & Stratton. The 800 would end up being like a Chinese knockoff of the Briggs & Stratton that has electric start and the recoil starter on it. All you have here is an electric. And the motor actually is, that's the same. But I would rather have the Chinese motor. Let me show you why. What are you missing on the motor itself? Look at it very, very carefully. It's missing an oil filter. I don't like that, but hey, it is what it is. It'll get me through till next year when I'll go in and get one with an oil filter. But this one does have the 2-gallon tank. Now the hours on this one are a little high. Look at that. 114.3. I did have to rebuild the carburetor. Let me start it for you here. She runs like a sewing machine after I rebuilt the carb. But the thing is, I do get white smoke coming out after the motor gets warm. I'm debating I'll probably end up putting some Lucas in it or some Restore or both in it. It's a high-iron mower. It pulls great. The motor had me a little concerned here. Didn't notice it till after I got it. What do y'all see here? RTV. Somebody had been in the crankcase. But either way, she runs and pulls strong. I haven't got to use it yet. I'm going to put it to work tomorrow. I'm in the middle of right now of making a homemade hard plastic discharge sheet blocker for it. Out of the extra stuff I cut off that. I don't like running them blasted things. Each their own though. But yeah, like I said, this is the 33-inch 760es. Y'all heard it. She sounds very strong. It might have had a rebuild on it. I don't know. But I got it on just off of trade. But I am looking for a sulky, preferably a jungle wheels. I can hook it up just like I had my other one without an issue down here. Just to give y'all an idea, but it will work. Just wanted to let y'all know that we are still here. Granted, I did get rid of a lot of equipment this year, especially end of year. I was trying to get into my house, which we're filming from our new home location now. I had to get into it. Rent was outrageous where we was at. Here we might be spending $1,000 to $1,100 a month for utilities and house payment. House cabin here, which is a 14 by 40 portable cabin, but it'll be paid for. Took it out on 5. I'll have it paid for in 3. I just want to get it done and over with. But we're at our new place out in the woods now, instead of renting out their RV park. But just y'all like and subscribe, and I hope this right here will earn your subscription to let you know that I'm still around and I am redoing some things. But yeah, like I said, tomorrow this is going to be doing some leaf cleanups. We'll see how she does, but I will put something in the engine oil before I do it. So if she does smoke, it won't smoke long and it'll clear itself right up. Hey, I hope y'all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and it's been a while since I posted, so I want y'all just hang with me. I'm getting things reset up. But I hope I earned your subscription today. Hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe. Leave me a thumbs down. Whatever you do helps me. Hey, God bless y'all. You have a wonderful day.